Earlier this week I got my first Hoover. Now in the UK we tend to call all acts of vacuuming hoovering, hence the name of my channel. But I thought it'd be good to actually get a proper Hoover and have a look at it. So this cost me £10 and it's a Hoover Blaze canister. It came with 4 heads, a parquet head, a pet head and an all floor plus. What I've got on at the moment is a very bulky carpet head, which I'm not overly fond of. The machine in use, I'm on the fence with it. I dislike the fact that you can't remove the bend at the top of the hose. It makes it extremely difficult for stairs or corners. It feels like you're rowing a boat. It's not good. Pickup wise, it's nothing to write home about. It is a very neat and tidy machine. The bin's quite small, but that's what you'd expect. But it's good for small areas. The man that we bought this from had used it for his caravan. So I've decided to test it using the same ongoing test materials of rice and horse food. I'm hopeful to get in some coloured sand, bag of flour, for more tests in the future. But I've been in all weekend not well, so no luck there. Okay, well without further ado, let's try this. So a one pass showed it wasn't that great. It's full of horse food. Let's just take this off. Oops. Well, we didn't like it anyway. As you can see, it's still full of horse food. I'm not quite sure how well it's meant to do in carpets, given it's just got these 2 rubber bits. It's not very good. And it's big and heavy, and it's just not something that's a joy to work with. More rice. And some more horse food. I'll just use the nozzle just to spread that out. Now we're going to use the one that I actually really like, which is the all floors one, and seems to do the best job. So let's give that a try. As you can see, that floor head is like night and day. Can I get it on camera? It's a bit dark, but it's got the 2 upholstery strips, a brush at the front, rubber at the back, the ability to drop the brush at the front, I had it up, and just far more pleasant to use in the long run. As you can see with the one swipe there, it's done fine. So we have 2 more to test. Why spill rice everywhere? It's not a hobby I thought I'd be taking up, but there we go. It's not overly scientific, this test. We're just throwing crap on the ground and cleaning it up. So the next one is the brush. Double brush for Parkway. It doesn't want to go on. I have found the brushes like to fall off unless you give them a good twist. Right, I'm assuming this is for wooden floors, but we'll see how it does. Far better. I think that's been the best out of them all so far. This head just has 2 black lines and little felt rollers. So protect delicate flooring very well. And now for our final one, which that'll do, won't it? That's a bin drop from the Vitesse after its horrific encounter last week. So I don't know if this will do much. It is a pet one, but we can only try. I still hate the articulation on this. Right, ready, steady, go. I'm not going to run it for its full one because I could hear it jamming up. I don't want to break it. Not even had it a week yet. That'll be emptied later. So I'll tidy up using the one with the brushes. I think that is the Hoover giving up the ghost, whether or not it's full, as it sounds to be, or it is clogged. It might be. It's my first time trying this sort of test with the Hoover, and I'll see how it is. But thank you for watching and meeting the newest member of my herd. This one's probably a keeper, just because it's my first canister. Anyway, take care. Bye.